This short guide explains how to buy shares of Pernod-Ricard SA, listed as RI.PA. Pernod-Ricard is a French multinational spirits company trading on Euronext, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search field and type the ticker RI.PA to find Pernod-Ricard SA. Verify the listing shows Euronext and the correct company name before selecting it. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for RI.PA. Confirm the company name, market, and the ticker to ensure you have the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio for tracking. For the example link to eToro, see the description below.